Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about the gamma function. So let us start. Gamma function is defined as the integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, x to the power n minus 1 dx. And this can be written gamma n. Right? This notation is gamma, read as gamma n. And here the point to be noted, n is greater than 0. It's mean n can neither be 0, right? But what negative number is excluded, I will tell you later on. But remember here n is greater than 0, right? So the next point is the value of gamma 1 is 1, right? And the value of gamma 0 is minus infinity. So here we see gamma is not defined for 0. Similarly, gamma is not defined for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It's mean gamma is not defined for negative integers, right? And gamma is not defined for 0. Now come to the next point. Here the next point is gamma 1 by 2 is under root pi. The value of gamma 1 by 2 is under root pi. And the next point is gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. What it's mean? We see this in the next slide. Here we have learned gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. It's mean if we have gamma 7, then it will be equal to 6 factorial, 1 less, right? And if we have gamma 6, this is equal to factorial 5. If we have gamma 1, then this is equal to 0 factorial, right? And the value of 0 factorial is 1. Now we have the next point, gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So let's understand this with the help of an example. We have gamma 5 by 2, we can write it gamma 3 by 2 plus 1. Now use the property gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So my n is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. Now again we can write gamma 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. And again this is equal to 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. So overall we have 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. And gamma 1 by 2 is equal to under root pi. So we have 3 upon 4 under root pi. So now let's take another very good example. With the help of gamma function we can find this integral. We have evaluate 0 to infinity e to the power minus x cube dx. Students, we can write it 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power 4 minus 1 dx. Now compare this with the help of with the definition of gamma function, which is 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Here n is 4, so the integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power 4 minus 1 dx is equal to gamma 4, or you can write this is factorial 3, and that is 6. You can say, so the value of this integral is 6. Now we have one more example, 0 to infinity e to the power minus x root x dx. We have to find the value of this integral. So we can write it 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power half. We can write root x dx, right? So now 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 dx. We can write x to the power half is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 dx. Now again compare this with the definition of gamma function 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Here we have n 3 by 2. So the value of this integral is gamma 3 by 2, and gamma 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2, and gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So the value of this integral is 1 by 2 root pi.